Alright, imagine this, you're walking along a beach, and suddenly you spot something that looks like a giant, flat disc with a face. Not a UFO, but a fish. A sunfish. And not just any sunfish, the second largest bony fish on Earth. Now, picture this, it's washed up on a Welsh beach, and you're staring at it, wondering, what the heck is going on? That's exactly what happened in Abersoch, and it's not just a weird one-off. It's a sign of something bigger, and I'm here to unpack why this matters. Let's start with the basics. Ocean sunfish are these bizarre, almost alien-looking creatures. They're like nature's version of a flying saucer, flat, round, and seemingly built for confusion. But here's the kicker, they're not just odd-shaped, they're massive. Some can grow over 3 meters long. Yet, despite their size, they're vulnerable. Listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List, but we don't even know their population numbers. That's wild, right? We are dealing with a species that's both huge and mysterious, yet we can't even track how many there are. What does that say about our understanding of the oceans? It feels like we're still scratching the surface of marine life, and every discovery like this makes me wonder how many other species we've overlooked. Now, the sunfish in Wales isn't the only one. Experts are saying there's been a spike in sightings, and they're linking it to the recent heatwaves. But here's where things get interesting. Heatwaves aren't just about humans sweating more, they're reshaping entire ecosystems. If sunfish are showing up more in UK waters, what else is changing? I mean, think about it, warmer waters might be pushing these creatures northward, but what happens when they're not adapted to those conditions? Are they getting stranded because their usual habitats are shifting? It's like watching a puzzle piece fall into a different spot, but the whole picture is still unclear. And that's the problem, we are seeing more of these events, but we don't fully understand the cause and effect yet. Then there's the bigger picture. Marine biologists are noticing shifts in species distribution. 10 years ago, short-beaked common dolphins were rare in Welsh waters. Now they're everywhere. That's not just a random fluctuation, it's a sign of changing ocean temperatures. Species are moving, and some are thriving while others struggle. I find it fascinating how interconnected everything is. A few degrees of warming could mean the difference between survival and decline for a species. And if sunfish are ending up on beaches more often, what does that mean for their predators, their prey, or even the local fisheries? It's a ripple effect we're only beginning to grasp. But here's the thing, this isn't just about sunfish. It's about how we respond. When people find a stranded animal, they are told to call the rescue hotline. That's a small action, but it's part of a larger responsibility. We're all stewards of the planet, whether we realize it or not. If we ignore these signs, whether it's a sunfish on a beach or a sudden surge in jellyfish, we're missing opportunities to learn and adapt. And honestly, I think that's the most important takeaway. Climate change isn't a distant threat, it's here, and it's rewriting the rules of life in the oceans. The question is, are we paying attention? Or are we just going to keep seeing more sunfish washed up on beaches, wondering why it's happening?